Struggling to find the perfect dash cam to safeguard your journeys? You're not alone. With a myriad of options flooding the market, finding the ideal one can be daunting. From night vision capabilities to wide-angle lenses, consumers face the challenge of navigating through a sea of features to find the best fit for their needs. But fear not. We've conducted extensive research and testing to bring you the top 5 best dash cams meticulously selected for their reliability and performance. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam dash cam represents a compact and reliable solution tailored for everyday drivers seeking enhanced road safety and security. With its discreet design, the camera seamlessly integrates behind the rearview mirror, ensuring inconspicuous yet effective video recording capabilities. Capturing footage in crisp 1080p, full HD quality, with a wide 135 degrees field of view. It provides comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, essential for documenting incidents and accidents. Equipped with intelligent detection features, the cam automatically identifies critical moments such as collisions or sudden braking, promptly saving them as short clips within the Nexar app. These clips are then effortlessly backed up to the user's unlimited Nexar cloud account, ensuring vital footage is always accessible when required. The Nexar Beam goes above and beyond in ensuring your vehicle's safety, particularly with its innovative parking mode function. This feature kicks into action at the slightest impact, detected while your car is parked, providing continuous surveillance around the clock. What sets it apart is its effortless retrieval system through the Nexar app, making accessing recorded parking incidents a breeze when your smartphone is nearby and synced with the dash cam. This dash cam boasts seamless integration with smartphones, making it incredibly convenient for users to access live footage instantly via the Nexar app. With just a tap on your smartphone screen, you have access to valuable video evidence at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Nexar Beam dash cam stands out as a compact yet powerful tool for enhancing road safety and security. Its discreet design, coupled with high-definition video capture and intelligent detection capabilities, makes it an ideal choice for everyday drivers. Number 4. ROVE R2. The ROVE R2 dash camera sets itself apart as an exceptional choice for drivers prioritizing advanced dash cam features and superior video recording capabilities. Boasting a remarkable 4K Ultra HD resolution of up to 2160p, this camera captures footage with unparalleled clarity and detail, ensuring every moment on the road is accurately documented. Its innovative Super Night Vision technology, featuring a 6-glass lens, f1, 5-aperture, and Sony IMX335 sensor, guarantees optimal video quality even in challenging low-light conditions, providing drivers with reliable footage round the clock. Moreover, the incorporation of GPS functionality allows for precise recording of driving locations and speeds, with the added convenience of viewing driving routes on Google Maps via Wi-Fi or the ROVE app. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the ROVE R2 offers a comprehensive array of features tailored to enhance the driving experience. These include a built-in supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, and emergency video lock. Additionally, the dash cam supports micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, ensuring ample storage capacity for extended recording periods. In summary, the ROVE R2 dash camera stands out as a premium solution for drivers seeking top-tier dash cam performance and reliability. With its exceptional video quality, advanced features, and dependable customer support, the ROVE R2 is a leading choice in the realm of on-dash mounted cameras, providing drivers with unparalleled peace of mind and security on the road. Number 3. Lensuge A4-Brilliant. The Lensuge A4-Brilliant dash cam offers an impressive suite of features tailored to elevate vehicle surveillance and safety. Boasting an Ultra HD 8K front camera and an FHD 2.5K rear camera, it effectively eliminates blind spots with its wide-angle lenses, ensuring comprehensive coverage for cars, trucks, SUVs, and buses. Equipped with GPS functionality, it accurately records driving data, providing crucial evidence in the event of accidents or insurance claims, thereby enhancing road safety and security. This dash cam seamlessly integrates with iOS and Android smartphone apps via Wi-Fi, providing users with a wide array of functionalities right at their fingertips. Through the app, users can enjoy live streaming of their driving footage, download recorded videos directly to their smartphones for easy sharing or viewing, and adjust various settings to customize their recording experience. This level of connectivity enhances the user experience, allowing for effortless control and management of the dashcam's features. For enhanced security, the dashcam offers 24-hour parking mode recording capabilities, providing continuous surveillance of the vehicle even when it's parked. To activate this feature, users will need to purchase a separate hardware kit, which allows the dashcam to detect collisions or disturbances and automatically begin recording. This added layer of protection helps safeguard vehicles against potential theft or vandalism, providing users with peace of mind wherever they go. In summary, the Lensuge A4-Brilliant dashcam represents a compelling blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and reliable performance, establishing itself as a frontrunner in the realm of vehicle monitoring systems. Number 2. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 dashcam stands as a multifaceted solution addressing the diverse needs of vehicle owners, offering a comprehensive approach to monitoring road activities. Featuring a triple-channel configuration, it adeptly captures footage from the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously, providing extensive coverage and comprehensive insight into driving experiences. With resolutions reaching up to 4K for the front camera and 1440p for the interior and rear cameras, it ensures high-quality video recording, pivotal for capturing critical details such as license plates and road signs, thereby enhancing overall safety and security on the road. Beyond its impressive video capture capabilities, this dashcam boasts a range of features meticulously designed to augment its functionality and utility. Its infrared night vision feature enables clear recording even in low-light conditions, ensuring that crucial details are captured accurately, regardless of the time of day. Durability and reliability are paramount considerations for any dashcam, and the Vantrue N4 excels in this domain. Equipped with a heat-resistant supercapacitor, it can withstand extreme weather conditions, guaranteeing consistent performance irrespective of environmental factors. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 dashcam offers a compelling blend of advanced features, robust construction, and user-friendly design, making it an exceptional choice for drivers seeking comprehensive vehicle monitoring solutions. Number 1. VIOFO A229 Pro. The VIOFO A229 Pro dashcam stands out as an exceptional choice for those prioritizing advanced features and reliable performance in their vehicle monitoring setup. Boasting dual Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, IMX678 and IMX675, this dashcam ensures exceptional clarity with its 4K 2160p front camera and 2K 1440p rear camera, providing crystal clear footage day or night, including easy identification of license plates across diverse driving conditions. With cutting-edge HDR technology, the cam enhances its night vision capabilities, capturing detailed footage even in low-light scenarios. Offering 3 distinct parking modes: auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, users can tailor their surveillance settings to optimize SD card storage while maintaining round-the-clock protection for their vehicles. The hands-free voice control and notification features streamlined device management, allowing users to focus on the road without distractions. Enhanced by swift 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, the A229 Pro facilitates seamless app control via the VIOFO app, enabling effortless configuration, video previews, and direct sharing of footage on mobile devices. Furthermore, its advanced quad-mode GPS module ensures precise positioning accuracy, furnishing comprehensive vehicle location, speed, and timestamp data for thorough video analysis. Equipped with loop recording functionality and emergency lock features, this dashcam ensures continuous recording and safeguards critical footage in case of collisions or sudden movements. Additionally, the anti-glare CPL lens mitigates reflections and glare from glass and road surfaces, augmenting image quality and contrast across varied driving conditions. Overall, the VIOFO A229 Pro dashcam combines advanced technology with user-centric features to deliver a dependable and comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance and security. In conclusion, these top 5 best dashcams offer a blend of cutting-edge technology, reliability, and performance, ensuring optimal safety and security on the road without breaking the bank. The ROVE R24K impresses with its exceptional 4K Ultra HD resolution and innovative Super Night Vision technology, setting a high standard for video clarity and low-light performance. The Nexar Beam stands out for its compact design and intelligent detection features, making it an ideal choice for everyday drivers. The Lensuge A4-Brilliant combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, establishing itself as a frontrunner in vehicle monitoring systems. The Vantrue N4 offers extensive coverage and comprehensive insight into driving experiences, with impressive video capture capabilities and durability. Finally, the VIOFO A229 Pro combines advanced features like HDR technology and hands-free voice control, delivering a dependable and comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance and security at an affordable price point.